Hi everyone, and welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so that you can't miss new uploads. Have you wondered why division by zero is undefined? Well, this video will teach you why we cannot divide numbers by zero. Most students are often confused by division by zero. But, dividing numbers by zero is undefined, even zero itself. For example, there are 12 chocolates, and 3 friends want to share them. How do they divide the chocolates? Obviously they would get 4 chocolates each. Now, let us try dividing the 12 chocolates among 0 people. How much does each person get? Does that question even make sense? No, of course it does not. We can't share among 0 people, and we can't divide by 0. Another good reason is that, after dividing, can we multiply to get the number back? Multiplying by 0 gives 0, so that won't work. Once again, dividing by 0 gives us difficulties. Okay, let us imagine we can divide by 0, and see what happens. That means that, things like 1 over 0 and 0 over 0 would behave like normal numbers. Let us try multiplying by 0. 0, multiplied with 1 over 0 equals 0, but we could also rearrange it a little like this. 0, multiplied with 1 over 0 equals 0 over 0 multiplied with 1, which then becomes 1. Careful here. I am not saying this is correct, we are just assuming that we can divide by 0, so 0 over 0 should work the same as 5 over 5, which is 1. But, this sounds crazy, right? If we multiply 1 over 0 by 0, we could get 0, or 1, in fact, we cannot have both possibilities. Then, we cannot define 1 over 0 to be a number. Therefore, it is undefined. So, what about 0 over 0? 0 over 0 is like asking, how many zeros are in 0? Are there no zeros in 0 at all? Or perhaps, there is exactly 1 zero in 0? Or many zeros? So 0 over 0 is indeterminate, or in other words, it could be any value. This means, we cannot get a specific number for 0 over 0. In conclusion, when we try to divide by 0, things stop making sense. That is all. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, like the video, and drop your comments.